Welcome back to Raise You Up. Now, Thanksgiving's done and dusted, but you're likely staring at a fridge full of leftovers, wondering what to do. Don't even think about letting those precious bits go to waste. You hear me? We're about to transform those leftovers into culinary masterpieces that will have you thanking your lucky stars for days. We're talking maximum flavor, minimum effort, and a whole lot of satisfaction. If you're ready to elevate your leftover game, smash that like button like you're mashing potatoes, and subscribe for more culinary inspiration. Let's get cooking. First up, let's talk turkey. Literally. We're taking that beautiful roasted bird and creating the ultimate leftover turkey sandwich. Now, I'm not talking about some sad, soggy sandwich. This is about layering flavors and textures to create a culinary masterpiece. Start with a good quality bread, lightly toasted. You want it crunchy enough to hold everything together. Then we layer a smear of cranberry sauce, a generous helping of that gorgeous stuffing. Make sure it's still warm. Now, for the star of the show, thick slices of juicy turkey. Don't be shy now. Finally, a sprinkle of fresh herbs, parsley, thyme, whatever you've got for a touch of freshness. And there you have it, the ultimate leftover turkey sandwich. It's a flavor explosion in every bite. Next, we're turning those leftovers into a hearty and comforting Thanksgiving casserole. This is about using up everything you've got left and turning it into a dish that's even better the next day. We're talking layers of flavor, folks. Start with a base of creamy mashed potatoes. Don't be afraid to add a knob of butter for extra richness. Then a layer of that delicious turkey, shredded to perfection. Next, a generous helping of leftover vegetables. Roasted carrots, Brussels sprouts. Anything goes. Now, for the finishing touch, a sprinkle of breadcrumbs and a drizzle of melted butter for a crispy, golden topping. Pop it in the oven until bubbly and golden brown, and you've got yourself a Thanksgiving casserole that will have everyone begging for seconds. Let's talk about the ultimate comfort food soup. But not just any soup. We're talking about a soul-soothing turkey soup that will warm you from the inside out. This is about using up every last bit of that Thanksgiving turkey carcass and creating a broth that's bursting with flavor. Start by simmering the turkey carcass with onions, carrots, celery, the holy trinity of flavor, and herbs for a good few hours. This will create the base for our soup, a rich and flavorful broth that's packed with goodness. Once the broth is ready, shred the remaining turkey meat and add it back to the pot along with your choice of vegetables. I like to add noodles or rice for a bit of heartiness. Season it well with salt and pepper, and there you have it. A soul-soothing turkey soup that's perfect for a cozy night in. Now, let's talk about stuffing. We all know that stuffing is the unsung hero of Thanksgiving, and we're going to give it the spotlight it deserves by turning it into delicious stuffing muffins. These are perfect for a quick snack or even a light lunch. Take your leftover stuffing and give it a good mix. If it's a bit dry, add a splash of broth or gravy to moisten it up. Then grease a muffin tin and divide the stuffing mixture evenly among the cups. Bake them in the oven until golden brown and crispy on the edges. These stuffing muffins are best served warm, and they're absolutely bursting with flavor. Finally, let's talk about that leftover cranberry sauce. Don't let it sit in the back of the fridge. We're turning it into a refreshing and delicious cranberry sauce parfait. This is a light and tangy dessert that's perfect for using up those last bits of cranberry sauce. Layer Greek yogurt, granola, and that vibrant cranberry sauce in a glass. Repeat the layers until the glass is full, ending with a dollop of yogurt and a sprinkle of granola for crunch. This cranberry sauce parfait is not only delicious, but also a feast for the eyes. It's the perfect way to end your Thanksgiving meal on a sweet and refreshing note. So, there you have it. 5 incredible ways to transform your Thanksgiving leftovers into culinary masterpieces. Remember, there's no need to be wasteful in the kitchen. With a little creativity, you can turn even the humblest of leftovers into something truly spectacular. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to Raise You Up for more inspiring videos. Leave a comment below and let me know which recipe you're most excited to try. Until next time, keep raising the bar in your kitchen.